Alright, really quick, I just want to go over two special characters. Alright, we're going to talk about some escape characters. As we covered in the last video, the difference between print and print line is this new line character that I'm talking about. Okay. So note this second program statement. It has the LN for the new line. That gets pretty much added at the end of the statement. And I am going to change this back print, and we're going to type in \n. This piece here represents the new line character. Let me go ahead and demonstrate this. Going to go ahead and run it. And it looks exactly the same as the previous run. And I'm going to go ahead and do that on this one as well. Welcome. I'm going to replace this space with a \n for the new line character. And it says welcome, goes to the new line. This is Java. As we can see right here. So just to make it clear, there's a couple characters that we can do. So what this \ represents an escape sequence, right? And there's a couple different characters. For that, I'm not going to go over them. I'm only going to go over the new line, and the next will be the tab character. \n is for new line, \t is for tab. Let me go ahead and run this. That's it. Welcome. And this right here is a tab character. It tabs over to it makes a tab character. And then we can see it's separated by a tab. And that's it for this video. So just to get rid of this statement, this program statement here is equivalent to this statement. And I'm going to go ahead and these two statements are equivalent to each other. We're going to be working with printing things to the console or some text file, some form throughout the rest of our tutorials. Okay, so it's going to be useful to print this. I know we spent a lot of time printing out characters. Next video, we're finally going to go over variables. We're going to go to the next step, but we're still going to be printing them out on the screen, probably throughout the entire series, in one form or another. Once we get to the graphical user interfaces, we'll be printing out pictures to the screen. But we'll go over that later, so let's just take this one little baby step at a time. We're starting off with the simple stuff first. Next, we're just going to go over variables. Thank you for watching, and I'll start talking more in the next video.